Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome today for a new video actually in the countryside of Geneva. And there it is. Red key means something very special. It's a V12 naturally aspirated, but it's not here now. But wait a second. There it is. Look at that. The one and only tremendous. Pretty rare actually. This is the last, just before the A12 Supercross. There it is, the F12 Berlinetta with under the hood the 6.3 liter naturally aspirated with an insane power actually. So that's pretty insane. The spec is so gorgeous. Alright, so we do have an insane spec of the rims. You have the 20 inches rims, full golden as you can notice. Michelin Pilot Super Sport. With the carbon ceramic brakes on the same way. We never see this spec on the rims, and you do also have as an option the carbon fiber Ferrari logo in the middle, and also you do have an additional Pininfarina that has been designed by Pininfarina as well. And right now, right here, you also have another carbon fiber Ferrari badge on the both sides of the car. So now we can talk about the weight of the car. The car is absolutely pretty light, 1630 kilos, and the weight, how it's done, because we do have a front engine that is pretty on the back actually, and you have 54% on the rear and 46% on the front. So the car, if it is like pretty light, it cannot move that much, but you can play with it as well. Welcome in, welcome on board. There we go. And you have like all the display, like the adjustable even steering wheel. You have like this with these LED lights also in the front that we'll check it out later on while the test drive actually. And you have like these two screens also for the car and all the information that you can find on board. Also the rev like in yellow, and you have carbon fiber here. Here you have the F12 Berlinetta right here, the badge, and you have all the red stitching all around, Alcantara right here on board, and the seats are just so beautiful. You have Alcantara leather, red stitching all around, all on board, and here you have like all the gear selector, rear automatic launch control, obviously. Here all the AC buttons, and here have like all the buttons like with this I forget how it's called, but like with the sport race or wet, you have this adaptive suspension and the engine starting, that we can make it right now. With this beautiful naturally aspirated noise. Wow, that's really insane and pretty aggressive as well. Right, so now come with me in the front. Look at that. Look how beautiful that engine is. 6.3 liter V12 naturally aspirated. It's an opera, it's an Italian symphony that this engine gives you with the naturally aspirated sound. Very pure, 740 horsepower, 690 Newton meters of torque. Also from 0 to 100 in only 3.1 seconds. So let's check out on the back as well. Follow me. Drive. Also for the boot, like we do have some stuff up on there, but like you have a lot of like place for the boot actually. So this is like the Ferrari cover. There it is, and you have some storage right here for some luggages, some bags as well, and you have also on the back a lot of space that you can like put some bags as well and go even on journeys and holidays as well, so which is pretty great. So yeah, let's go now check it out on the road. Alright, so currently finding just on board of this F12 Berlinetta. Massive thanks to Garage Carugati. And there we go. So 740 horsepower, 690 Newton meters of torque, 0 to 100 in only 3.1 seconds actually. And it's a 7-speed double clutch gearbox and the back symphony. The noise is spectacular. It's not often that we have a 6.3 liter V12 car, especially nowadays when every car is going to be electric actually, or hybrid, as you can notice with the SF90 Stradale. They're like all switching with the hybrid modes. This car also has been presented in 2012 at Paris Motor Show, and this car has been also produced between 2012 and 2017. And the predecessor of the car was the 599 GTB, and the new one is the A12 Superfast that you guys know, that has been started from 2017 actually. So yeah, there we go. Hope that you guys really appreciate it. We're just going back at the showroom actually, because I haven't showed you yet, where we can see also the upgraded and the final version of this car, the F12 TDF, which is limited also version, more hardcore, 780 horsepower, that they do have one at the showroom as well. So now let's go back at the showroom and check what do they have else with the cars on the same way. So we're currently back at the showroom after this tremendous drive of this F12 Berlinetta, entirely in red, and incredible golden rims for the spec in question. So Hunty, let's make a tour at the showroom, and here you have like these two F12s. So that one is not limited, and that one is the final edition of the F12 TDF. So that one is the F12 TDF compared to the F12 Berlinetta, which is a bit more powerful, lighter, and that one is limited to 799 units in the world. We do have one extremely rare and special Pagani. Fully in yellow, extremely rare to see a Pagani. On the other version, we do have the Porsche Speedster, which is also extremely limited right here, fully in yellow, and all like inside black and yellow stuffs on board. Let's go to the other part of the showroom. Alright, so we've made a whole tour of the garage. Check this out. There is like another part, totally different. You have like more only classic cars, fully like, look at that. There's so many stuff. Ferraris, we needed the one that has won the Prix of Elegance as well. And you have like really old, like the 3 GTS, and you have plenty of little stuff. You have even the small Fiat right now. Wow, this is like an incredible storage right here at Carugati, which is like, not all of the cars are for sale actually, but they're here and you can check them out as well, and they're pretty lit. So massive thanks to Carugati. Their link is going to be in the bio, the Instagram as well, so go check them out. They're here in Geneva at Plan-les-Ouates. Massive thanks to Carugati one more time, and for having tested this F12 Berlinetta. So thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you very soon. Don't forget to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, have a very nice day. Bye bye.